Annyeonghaseyo, Chedamin, D Shanda, Ibnida. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with another unboxing for you. And today we are unboxing the Allure Beauty Box for February 2018. I'll leave all the information down below in case you want to get your very own Allure Beauty Box. Allure Beauty Box is $15 a month, and this box is curated by the editors of Allure magazine, which is awesome. And I've seen some unboxings from previous months, and everything that I've seen has been superb. So I said, you know what? I got to give this one a try. Now, when I rate my subscription boxes on this channel, I use what I call my 3 Ps. My 3 Ps are packaging, product, and presentation. Those are my 3 Ps that I use when I rate my boxes. And let's go ahead and dive in and just get started. I'm excited. This is my first one, and I've waited for this for a while. I subscribed back in January, and I wasn't sure if I was going to get February's or not. So this is awesome. So first of all, for the packaging, before I do that, it's red. My favorite color is red, and I'm already liking this box right here. It's a glossy red. It's got a Allure Beauty Box here. It's got the hashtag, the beauty box, and here is the website in case anybody wants to know what that is. But like I said, I'll leave all that down below. When I open this up, oh heck yeah. Those that know me know that I love makeup and skincare, and look at what this says. This is what I'm all about. Sheet mask and chill. All day, every day. I love my sheet masks. Love my Korean beauty. All right, here we go. Allure Beauty Box gives you a little pamphlet that looks like this, which is awesome. Again, I love when companies do this because it tells you what is in the box and how to use it, and sometimes even prices. This one also tells you prices as well. It gives a description and how to use the different things that are in here. And there's a letter from the deputy beauty editor or director right here. And then this right here, like I said, it just tells you what is in this box for this month. And there's a member spotlight back there. So this is awesome. So far with the presentation and packaging, I'm loving. The box looks like this. It came wrapped in this paper, which is nice. And okay, let's see what we have. I'll be referring back to this also in case there's something I'm confused about. I know that for first-time subscribers, you usually get a free gift. And let's see here. I'll pull out this first. This is from Erin, A-E-R-I-N. I believe that's Erin. And this right here is the fragrance collection. Amber Musk, Jasmine, Evening Rose, Iris Meadow, and Water Lily Sun. It smells good. That's what that looks like. Smells really good. So this must be my, there's a little pamphlet in here that talks about the scents and whatnot. Oh, they smell amazing. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scents in here. This is what they look like. I'm not sure if y'all can see that. I'm going to spill one over, but yep. So that's really, really cool. Awesome. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things in here. First thing that I'm going to pull out is this. This is the Tarte Lash Paint Mascara. This mascara is bomb right here. Oh my goodness. This mascara is bomb. The color I got is black, of course. This is what she looks like out of the packaging. Oh man, this mascara. Look at that wand. That's the best thing about this mascara. That wand is so nice. It really does a good job at getting really, really deep in the roots of your lashes. I highly recommend this mascara. This might be one of my favorite high-end mascaras that are out there. It's the Tarteist. Awesome. All right, from Burt's Bees. We have a Burt's Bees full-size lipstick here. This is 501 Blush Basin is the color. Can you see that there? Let's see what the color looks like. I need to take this little thing off, the sticker off. Let's see what the color looks like. You guys know I don't do swatches because I'm not good at swatches. But that's what the color looks like. It's like a nude color, as you can see. And again, it smells kind of fruity. Not bad. But again, I can use this color. If all else fails, I say this all the time. Just give me a nude lipstick. I can work with a nude. All I need is a dark brown lip liner. Got it covered. This here is Kale and Spinach Green Tea hydrolonic acid. I started to say hydrochloric acid. You don't want to put hydrochloric acid on your face. This is age prevention moisture cream from youth to the people. And that's what it looks like right there. Okay. And this is like a moisturizer. And it feels heavy. Ooh, this is like a glass. Yeah, this is nice. The kale and spinach and green tea. See that? A little travel moisturizer. These are nice. I like having these because when I travel, I can just take these with me. So that's nice. Nice, nice, nice. All right. Next thing we have is this. This is an Essence Moonlighter Cushion Calming Moisture Technology. That's what that looks like there. And it looks like one of those cushion foundations, but I think it may be a highlight. It says Moonlighter, so that's telling me it's a highlight possibly. I'll have to look at the thing. So okay, so it comes with a mirror. It has a really big mirror. Can you guys see that? Sorry for the glare. This here is the little sponge right here. This is the sponge here. So see, that's what the sponge looks like. So I can be like, oh yes, honey. Yes, 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 yes. So that's what that is. And then there is the actual product, which is hidden behind here. Let me lift this up. Okay, so whoopsie, that's what the product looks like, if you can see that. And this is, like I said, this is a highlighter, I believe. There I go swatching things. Yeah, this is a highlighter, definitely a highlighter. So, I've never seen a cushion highlighter before that looked like this. So this is I'm very happy to get this. This is awesome. And then last but not least, I have in here from Skin Fix. Yay, Skin Fix. This is the Natural Minty Mint Lip Repair Balm for soft, smooth lips. 40% coconut oil. And you guys know that I love anything with coconut in it is a thumbs up for me. This is cruelty free, in case my friends are watching and they want to know if this is tested on animals. It's not. It's cruelty free. Little Leapy Buddy is back there. All right, and then that is everything that we got in our Allure Beauty Box for February 2018. Let's do a quick recap. So I got this here from Youth to the People, the Kale and Spinach Green Tea Moisturizer. I also got this right here, this Essence Moonlighter Cushion from Calming Moisture Technology, which is really nice. I got this perfume sampler from Erin, which I like. That smells really, really good, by the way. Burt's Bees lipstick in the color 501, Blush Basin. Full size, by the way. And from Skin Fix, the Natural Minty Mint Lip Repair Balm, which is awesome. And then last but not least, probably one of my favorite things in this box is the Tartiest Tarte Mascara, which is awesome. Again, and that is everything in this Allure Beauty Box for February 2018. Again, I'll leave all the information down below in case you want to subscribe. Speaking of subscribing, do not forget to rate, comment, and subscribe on this video. The more you do that, the more I get recognized here on YouTube, and that's an awesome, awesome, awesome thing. Again, thank you guys for watching. Thank you to my new and my old subscribers. I see you out there, and I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and for watching this video. All right, guys, I'll talk to you next time. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.
넌 나고 난 나